Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google Play console and signing in with your developer account. Pay the one-time $25 if needed. Next, upload your app bundle OB and ensure you have the signing key store ready so Google can manage releases. Once done, fill out basic listing info, title, short description, and provide required graphics like a 512px icon and screenshots. Make sure version code, increments from previous builds, and version name is user-friendly before moving forward. You now handle the middle steps. Complete the store listing with a clear description, select accurate category and content rating, and add contact and privacy policy information. Then configure pricing and distribution, choosing countries and supported devices so users see your app correctly. Next, create a test track, internal, closed, or open, upload the matching AAB, and invite testers. This step validates functionality and catches issues before production. Make sure crash reports and logs are monitored while testers exercise the app. You're ready to publish. Review the pre-launch report one last time and resolve any critical issues. Enable Play app signing if not already active. Then create a production release by selecting the tested artifact, writing concise release notes, and choosing a staged rollout percentage to limit exposure. Once released, monitor the dashboard for crashes and user feedback and be prepared to push hotfixes quickly. If problems arise, pause the rollout immediately and use the previous stable artifact to roll back while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.